I had toenail fungus for years. This is what finally cured it. I almost quit martial arts because of my feet. Thick, yellow toenails, dry, cracked skin. I was embarrassed every single time I took my socks off, until one decision changed everything. If you've ever felt ashamed of something about your body, something you couldn't hide, this video is for you. Every week we give you strategies to build strength in body, mind, and spirit. Subscribe and don't miss a single one. The content in this video is for general informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle. Now let's continue. For years I suffered from severe toenail fungus. My toenails were thick, discolored, and honestly, ugly. The fungus didn't just affect my nails, it made my feet dry, rough, and crusted. And the worst part? I trained barefoot. I was deeply involved in martial arts, judo, Muay Thai kickboxing, and multiple Japanese karate styles. Every class meant bare feet on the mat. Every class meant exposure, and every class came with embarrassment. There were times I seriously considered quitting, not because I didn't love martial arts, but because I hated how my feet looked. I tried everything: foot sprays, over-the-counter creams, and products that promised fast results. None of them worked, not even a little. Then one day I read an article in Reader's Digest that, well, stopped me cold. It talked about an oral prescription treatment, Lamisil, and how effective it could be for stubborn toenail fungus. After years of frustration, I finally had hope. So I did something simple, but important. I went to my doctor. My doctor took one look at my feet and immediately understood what I was dealing with. I asked him about what I had read. He agreed it was worth trying and wrote me a prescription. I don't remember the exact dosage. I believe I took it for about a month or two, possibly with one refill, and then I waited. The transformation didn't happen overnight, but, over the next several months, something incredible started happening. The dry, peeling, crusted skin on my feet slowly disappeared. As I trimmed away the old, damaged toenails, healthy, clean, new nail growth began to appear. Month by month, my feet looked better, stronger, healthier. Eventually, my feet looked brand new, like the feet of a kid again. And let me tell you, I was beyond happy. Here's the wild part. That was many years ago. I'm now 60 years old and my feet still look good. I don't use sprays, I don't use creams, and the fungus has never returned. If you're dealing with something that embarrasses you, whether it's your health, your body, or something you think no one else notices, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not stuck. Sometimes one informed decision can change everything. If you appreciate honest, real-life stories like this, no hype, no gimmicks, subscribe to the channel. This channel is about men's health, confidence, and real solutions that actually work. Men's health is a lifelong mission. Keep moving forward by watching one of these videos next.